Hello and welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about what is Stan Store. So Stan Store is a link in bio platform same as other similar platforms like Linktree. Stan Store is the easiest way to make money online. All your courses, digital product and bookings are now hosted within your link in bio section. So with the help of Stan Store, you can not only add your links in your link in bio section, but also you can sell your digital products, coaching calls. Suppose if you want to create, host and sell your online courses, then you can also do it with Stan Store. Suppose if you want to run any webinar, then you can also do it with Stan Store, and you can do almost anything like hosting communities, and there are lots of other features. So when you will create your Stan Store, then it will look something like this. And by the way, if you want detailed step-by-step tutorial or review, then I will share the review video link and tutorial video link in the video description. And also you can try this platform absolutely free. I will share a free trial link in the video description, so just go and check it out. So it is very easy to design your link in bio section. It will look something like this. As you can see, you can add your website link or a social media link like this. You can add your photo, your name, your bio, okay, and your website link. And suppose if you are selling any digital product, physical product, then you can also add details of this. You can almost sell anything using Stan Store. So let me show you a quick demo. So just click on this add product button, and here as you can see, there are multiple product type. You can use it as lead magnet. You can add lead magnet form. You can sell your digital product like PDF, guide, template, exclusive content, ebook, etc. You can book and sell paid coaching calls. You can sell custom product. You can create, host and sell your online courses. You can charge for recurring membership. You can host your webinars inside Stan Store. You can host free and paid communities inside Stan Store. You can add your website link or social media link using this URL option, and there are lots of things. So suppose we want to sell any PDF, then we can go to digital product, and here we can see the live preview of our product. So there are multiple options for previewing. I want this call out option, so I am going to use it. You can upload your thumbnail. You can write your book title here, subtitle here, and you can change the button to anything else if you want. So let me write something like get instant access. So I'm not going to change the product name or anything because I'm just giving you a quick demo. Let's click on next, and here as you can see, this is the checkout page. Suppose if you want to write your description yourself, then you can write it. And suppose if you want to write your product description with AI, then you can click on generate with AI. So suppose I am selling any ebook about affiliate marketing, then I can write something like this ebook is all about affiliate marketing strategies that are working for me, and let me click on this button, and as you can see, it is generating the product description for me. So as you can see, it has written the entire product description. You can customize it according to your requirement, and you can set the price. Like let's say I want to sell it for $29.99, but I am going to give discount for a limited time. Let's say I want to sell at $9.97 for a very limited time. So I can also, so this is the very crucial step, upload your digital product. You need to click on upload, and you need to upload the product, that is digital product which you are selling. So suppose if you are selling ebook like me, then you can upload your ebook, and after that you can click on publish. So whenever anyone will purchase this ebook at $9.97, then in the next page they will get the link to download this ebook, and let's click on publish. So as you can see, now this product is ready. So whenever anyone will visit my store and click on this button, then they can purchase it and they can download this ebook. So as you can see, it is very easy to sell your digital product with Stan Store. So I hope now you understood how to sell digital product or anything using Stan Store. If you want a complete review and step-by-step tutorial of Stan Store, then I will share the review video link and step-by-step Stan Store tutorial video link in the video description. Just go and check it out. And if you want to try Stan Store for free, then I will share an exclusive affiliate link in the video description. Through that link you can try Stan Store absolutely free for next 14 days. I hope now you understood what is Stan Store and what is Stan Store used for. I have explained Stan Store in detail. If you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.